Before we get started on our demo, we have a little safety video to highlight the basics. First, we wear the proper clothing in order to complete an experiment. If a lab coat is provided, it would be wise to use it. Second, we wear goggles in order to protect our eyes. We also tie back our hair and take off any jewelry we have on. Here's a quick reminder of what an endothermic reaction is before we begin. An endothermic reaction is when heat is absorbed from its surroundings in order for it to be completed. Examples include the cooking of an egg, ice melting, and photosynthesis. It is important to take note that if there are any particles found on the bottom of the container during one of these reactions, the substance has reached equilibrium. First, we start off by placing the thermometer into a plastic cup filled with 80 milliliters of vinegar. From there, we add a few drops of food coloring to add a nice effect. We place 1 tablespoon of sodium bicarbonate into each cup. Then we make an observation towards the temperature change. Now for a scientific approach to what we have just seen. The vinegar and sodium bicarbonate are changing from their individual molecular structures into a new structure which can be seen as a soupy white goop on the bottom of the cup. This change requires energy in the form of heat, which it absorbs from the room and its surroundings. The problem is, it isn't able to absorb the heat fast enough, meaning it needs more heat than it is receiving, therefore causing the temperature to drop. This experiment can be further investigated by placing a balloon on top to help determine if carbon dioxide was produced. To further test the gas let off in the reaction, you can also place a burning splint in the mouth of the cup and see if it goes out. The increase in carbon dioxide present suffocates the flame, putting the fire out.